Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to unban Litmatch account. And here is how. If you have seen anything like this, your Litmatch account has, regrettably, been banned. However, there is no need to worry. This prohibition is only temporary and won't last forever. You have two ways if you wish to get your account back sooner than the Litmatch 1-year suspension, which in our instance expires on January 27. The first option is to send an email to the Litmatch officials requesting that your account be unbanned if you think you haven't broken any of the rules. It is important to note that the email must be sent from the registered Litmatch email address and must include your Litmatch ID and name. If emailing the Litmatch officials doesn't work and you don't have the patience to wait for the ban to be lifted on its own, the second option is to recover your Litmatch account by paying 100 diamonds. This is a straightforward solution, as Litmatch will unban your account as soon as you hit the pay button. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.